Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi, my name is Raisha Afika binti Muhammad and my matric number is 08DEP20F2006.
Hi, my name is Shuhaida Balkis binti Muhammad Syariman. My matrix number is 08DEP20F2011.
Hi, my name is Nofikriza Husna binti Anizam and my matrix number is 08DEP20F2017.
Hello. Hi, my name is Maisara Zafira Syam binti Yunus and my matric number is 08DEP20F2029.
Introduction of integration. The integration denotes the summation of discrete data. The integral is calculated to find the function which will describe the area displacement volume that occurs due to collection of small data. In a broad sense, in calculus, the idea of is used where algebra and geometry implemented. It can use finding area under the curve and volume of solid. Integration can be categorized by two types, which is undefined integral and defined integral.
Alright, next let me check it out about application integration in our real life. So this is 3 example application that we can use in integration topic. First example is in architecture. An architect is used integration in determining the amount of the necessary materials to construct curve-shaped constructions. For example, dome over a sports arena, and also to measure the weight of the structure. Integration is used to improve the architecture not only of buildings but also of important infrastructure such as bridge. Second is physics. In physics, integration is very much needed. For example, to calculate the center of mass, center of gravity and mass moment of inertia of a sports utility vehicle. To calculate the velocity and trajectory of an object, predict the position of planets, and understand electromagnetism. Okay, last but not least, the third one is application in statistics. Statisticians use integration to evaluate survey data to help develop business plans for different companies. Because a survey involves many different questions with a range of possible answers. Calculus allows a more accurate prediction for the appropriate action.
The formula for area under the curve is equal integral BA times x times dx, and formula for volume is integral BA pi y power of 2 dx.
Now let us take a look at the example question. The question says that find the area of the region bounded by y equal to 3x minus x squared and the x-axis. So by looking at the equation, we can, by roughly speaking, we can tell what shape the sketch will be. So it is an upside down, and first we must factorize. The common factor is x. And we can tell that the first x is equal to 0 and the second one from 3 minus x is equal to 3. Okay, now here's a rough sketch. We know that x intersect at 0 and we also know that x intersect at 3. Now we have an upside down facing parabolan. So this is a y equal 3x minus x squared. Okay, now going back to the question, it wanted us to find the area between y equals x squared, 3x minus x squared and the x-axis. So here, as you can see, is the yellow shaded region. That is where we're going to look at. Now I need to identify the integrals that tell us the size of the area. Okay, so now area represented by A equals to integrals. The lower will be 0 and the upper is 3. And the things that I'll be integrating is 3x minus x squared. So this is gonna become open bracket 3x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 close bracket and 3 and 0. So I get 3 times 3 squared over 2 minus 3 cubed over 2 close bracket minus 0 minus 0. Okay, now let us simplify. 27 over 2 minus 27 over 3, take away 0. So now we get the answer of 9 over 2. Now it's time for us to conclude the answer. So the answer here, as you can see, we know it's area, so it becomes power of 2. The unit depends on the questions given. Like for example here, it doesn't give any units. So we can write down there 9 over 2 unit square.
Let's see how we can find the volume in integration. The formula for x-axis is v equal to integrate region A and region B with pi y square. Now we have the formula for volume of revolution. Pi y square is just a circle. They are going to rotate about the x-axis from region A to region B. Let's look at this one example. When the shaded area is rotated 360 degrees about the x-axis, we again observe that a volume is generated. First, we are going to use pi y square as the formula to get the volume. Then, we replace y with x to the power of 3 plus 1. The region A will become 0 and region of B will become 3. After that, we develop the x to the power of 3 plus 1 with the square. We will get in brackets x power of 6 plus 2x power of 3 plus 1 dx. Then we integrate it in brackets. X power of 6 will become x power of 7 over 7 plus x power of 4 over 2 plus x. Then we will get pi in brackets 35593 minus 0. Then the answer will be 1118.2 units power of 3. This is the volume for this question that we get.
From this presentation, we have learned to solve problems using integration. As stated in the question, we are required to find the answer. We have to apply integration method. Moreover, we also enhance our skill on sketching graph and finding the limits of the shaded region. With integration as mathematical technique, we have been able to reach the solution of the different method used. The method brings a simple and clear way thus can be used for practical data. In summary, we can say that mathematics are very important in our daily life. So we have to learn them as much as possible to understand the world where we live. Mathematics may not teach us how to add love or minus hate, but to hope that every problem have a solution.